Hello guys, so in today's video we're going to go ahead and grab one of this little glass and we're going to take this candle holder, put some hot glue at the bottom part like that. Then after you put hot glue, then just go ahead and attach it to the back of the glass like that. Then I'm going to take the teddy bear and place it right in the front like that in here. Then just fix your teddy bear. So after you fix your teddy bear, put a little bit of hot glue on the glass and we're going to take one of this little top from a box from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna attach it to the top like that. You spray paint it in gold. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue around it just to attach it into place. Then go ahead and grab your floral foam, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it in there to attach it right on top of the cover of the box. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and grab our flower, put a toothpick inside, and then attach it into place like that. And then just continue attaching flower. And here you can use a bigger stick and then just cut it to whatever height you want, just to make it a little bit bigger in the back of the centerpiece. So then just continue attaching flower like that until you do the whole thing around it. You could put a little bit white little cute things around it just to make it look extra cute. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is the first DIY how it turns out. It's so simple and easy. You also can do not a teddy bear. You could put any a Barbie or whatever theme that you guys are doing it. I'm just giving you the idea of how you guys can do it. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna put some pink flower around it. Then I'm gonna take this balloon. This balloon you need to stretch it out before you decide to blow it out. And then after you stretch it out, just blow it out like that, like I did here. And then I put it in a balloon holder. Then just go ahead and place it inside. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple. I think this one looks super cute and it's so easy. And you could do any color that you guys would like. And you could also switch the teddy bear like I said before. So now for the next idea, we're going to go ahead and grab one of these little clear plates. We're going to place it in there, put some floral foam, and then put a little bit of hot glue all the way around it like that, and then attach it right in the middle of the plate like that, and just hold it into place until it attached. Once it attached, I'm going to take one of these little green branches, put a little bit of hot glue, and attach it in there. I'm going to go around it until I attach it. Then take one of these little branches and place it on the side. Then take another one, place it in the other side. Then we're going to place one in the middle, and then we also is going to fix it and place another one in the back. You're going to place it all the way around it. Then I'm going to take this balloon stick. I'm going to take the balloon holder, one on the top and one on the bottom. Then after you place it in there, we're going to take some hot glue and place it around it like that. And then we're going to attach it to the floor foam, almost to the end of the floor foam like that. Then after that, we're going to put the teddy bear right in the middle in there. But to hold it into place, I'm going to take this little hair rubber band and I'm gonna place it in the head of the teddy bear like that, and then just go ahead and grab the stick and place the stick inside the rubber band, and then just attach the stick inside the balloon holder again. Then place cute little things around it just to make it look extra cute. Then go ahead and blow your balloon up, and then do the same thing. Just attach it to the balloon holder like that. Then after that, you can place it in there if you want a tall version, but I didn't want it to be so tall, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. Just cut it to whatever size you would like the centerpiece to be. Then I'm gonna put a cute little white branches on the side. I'm gonna take this cute little butterfly that I found. I think they were super cute, and I'm gonna stick it to the balloon like that. So just fill out the balloon with cute little butterfly around. And I also put a little bit of the floor butterflies also in the centerpiece at the bottom, as you can see. I also put some flower around it just to mix it around with a butterfly and the flowers like that. And I'm gonna also put it in the bottom. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so cute. I give you a different idea that you guys can do for your next party decoration, baby shower, birthday party, whatever you guys doing, wedding. I think it looks super cute as well. Now for the next DIY, we're gonna take one of these boxes, gift boxes from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna take it the top out. We're gonna spray paint it in gold. After we spray paint it in gold like this one, we're gonna take one of this paper that they have in Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it like that, just to know the size that I'm going to cut it. I just measure the box like 4 inches, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take something. You could take a ruler, whatever you have. I'm going to just trace it down just to cut it out like that. Then after you mark it down like that, we're just going to go ahead and grab a scissor and cut the whole thing all the way out like that. Once you cut the whole thing out, we're gonna take the sticker out, and we're gonna go ahead and put the box upside down like that, and we're going to attach the paper in there. It's like the vinyl that they have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the vinyl around the box like that. Then I'm gonna take this floral foam, put a little bit of hot glue, and attach it right in there. I'm gonna take another one just to have like a little taller version. It wouldn't be too small. Then after you attach both of them, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my flower, put a toothpick, and then just place it inside there and attach it to the floral foam until you do the whole thing around. Then I'm gonna take this balloon stick. I'm gonna spray paint it in gold just to make it look super cute. Then after I spray paint it in gold like this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it because we don't want the centerpiece to be as big. So then just go ahead and cut it out. Then after that, I'm gonna put the balloon holder like that inside there, and I'm gonna place my balloon inside. Then go ahead and take the stick and place it inside the floral foam like that. Then put a flower right in there. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. This could be cute for any party decorations, baby shower, or whatever guys things that you guys are doing. Now, for the next idea, we're going to go ahead, take one of this tall glass, and we're going to use these rocks and place it inside. We're going to put a little bit more. Make sure to put more than what I have, but I didn't have enough. So then I went outside and grabbed some stick from the tree like that. I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. Just make sure to place it like that all the way to the rocks. Then I'm going to take this greenery and place it on the side like that. Just put it through the little branches just to hold it into place. I'm going to take this little flower and place it inside as well. Just fill it up with different flowers around it and little branches. Then I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in the little branches like that just to attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to put a little bit more branches around it. And I'm going to go ahead and take these cute little flowers and place it on top like that, all around it in the branches. So just fill out the whole thing. Once you do that, this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do at home. This is how it look like that. You could also play with a tablecloth on top with a whole setting. This is how it turns out. Super cute and simple to do. Now for the next DIY, they have this cute little plate, and we're gonna take some of them, and I'm gonna take this little glass that they have. Also, I'm gonna put rock inside, put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom part, and then place it right on top of that. I'm gonna put more hot glue and place another plate on top, and we're gonna continue doing this. This like a plastic little cup that I found. You continue doing that until you do three of them like that, one stack up, two on top of each other, and then place candy on the top. Put your candy around, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take this round mirror. I'm going to take this candle holder, place it right in there. I'm going to take some glass and place it on top like that. I'm going to take this balloon stick. I'm going to cut it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab four of these balloon different colors and attach them together like that. Just attach them, tie it, and then place at the bottom like that. Then put cute little balloon inside. I'm gonna take my balloon holder and do a few of them, and then just place it inside like that. Put a butterfly in the middle, and this is how cute. This is something so simple. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by